The re-examination of evidence of the Auditor General took a tense turn on day 55 of the Presidential Commission of Inquiry today. Newsfirst.lk filed this report.
Well, there was a little bit of tension this morning at the Presidential Commission of Inquiry when the state produced Monetary Board minutes from March and April 2017 to the witness, Auditor General Gamini Vijay Singha. Now, one of these Monetary Board minutes notes that the assumptions made by the Auditor General in his report are fair, while the other notes that the methodology used to calculate the losses is reasonable. However, at this point, Attorney Chanaka De Silva, representing the former governor, raised objections and questioned the basis on presenting these documents before the Auditor General. However, this led to an exchange of words between the state and the council, and the commission intervened and said that the commission will delve deep into all related matters and will go deep into all the facts in order to ascertain the truth. The Attorney General's department meanwhile said that more documents are coming to light in its own inquiry in relation to the bond issuance. Attorney at Law Harsha Fernando, representing Deputy Governor P. Samarasiri, produced certain documents in relation to the Monetary Board minutes from March and April this year. The Auditor General affirmed that one reason for investigating the auction was because it was the first time a primary dealer had bid on behalf of another primary dealer. In this case, it was the Bank of Ceylon on behalf of Perpetual Treasuries Limited. Auditor General Gamini Vijay Singha stood by his conclusion that the Governor of the Central Bank had not acted with professional due care in the performance of his functions expected of a Governor of a Central Bank. Dinesh Schaffter, the Managing Director of First Capital Holdings PLC, was summoned to the Presidential Commission of Inquiry today. Schaffter was questioned on the emails that he had sent to then MP Harsha De Silva following the controversial auction on the 27th of February 2015. He said the auction was highly unusual as the amount accepted was 10 times greater than what was offered and the increase of 300 basis points in market rates. First Capital Holdings PLC had bid 100 million rupees on that day at a rate of 10.10% as a dummy bid, anticipating a rejection. However, as the amount accepted was greater, their bid too had been accepted. He revealed that on the 2nd of March 2015, Perpetual Treasuries Limited had advertised to offer bonds at a repurchase agreement for 7%, which he believed Perpetual Treasuries required funds and had to make a payment. Dinesh Schaffter said the practice of direct placements at the central bank was transparent and there was no mafia that controlled the market.